Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am gonna show you how to blur face in Capcut PC. So if you have a footage and you want to blur the face of a person in the footage, then this video is absolutely for you. So you guys have to just simply follow me. So you guys have to just simply open up the Capcut. After opening up the CapCut, you guys have to simply import the footage in which you want to blur the face. So I have imported the footage. You can just take a look at the complete video, and here is the video. And we want to hide the face. So we have to just simply click on the right click on the footage on the timeline and click on copy. And after that, you have to just simply click on right click on that and click on paste. And you guys can see our layers has been added. So on the above layer, you have to just simply go to the mask section in the video section and go to mask. And here in the mask section, you guys have to just simply click on this. So after clicking on this, you have to just simply select the circle mask. And after selecting the circle mask, you guys have to make sure that your face should be completely within the circle. So after adjusting the face, now you guys have to just simply go to then basic, and you guys have to just simply go to this below. So in the below section, you guys can see by just unhiding the layer. You guys can see in the above layer, we have just masked the face, and in the below layer, we have complete video. So we have to just simply go to the above layer in which we have just simply selected the video of the footage and in the face, and we guys have to just simply go to the effect section on the top left corner, and in the top left corner you guys have to just simply go to the video effects, and in the drop down menu select the lens. So after selecting the lens, you guys have to just simply add any of the blur which you want to add and which you want to hide the face. So we have to simply drag it on the above layer in which we have masked the just face of the person. So after that, you have to just simply adjust the blur according to your needs until your face become disappear and your identity become disappear. After that, you have to just simply adjust the blur, and that's it. You guys can see our face has been blurred from the complete video. So I hope these methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.